This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Quick Note enabled and your Apple Pencil or corner gesture set up. Once done, open the app or web page you want to annotate. Swipe from the bottom right corner with your pencil or tap the corner to create a quick note and type a concise title so you can find it later. Make sure the note captures the current app link automatically. This creates tappable context so you can return to the source quickly and avoid losing where you started. Once your quick note is open, add content using the keyboard, handwriting, or scribble. This gives you flexible input depending on speed and precision. Use the share sheet or drag and drop to add links, images, and highlights from Safari or other apps, and create checklists to turn notes into action items. Then organize by dragging the quick note into a notes folder or pinning it. This keeps frequently used notes accessible, which matters when you're juggling multiple projects and apps during the day. When you finish, simply close the quick note. Note saves automatically, and if iCloud is enabled, syncs to your other devices so you can pick up where you left off. Use the Notes search bar to find text, handwritten words, or links included in Quick Notes, and move or export final content into project folders as needed. If a Quick Note doesn't appear, make sure note syncing is enabled in Settings and that you're signed into the same iCloud account. Toggling iCloud for notes often resolves sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.